Memorial Day weekend, 2008, Sunday afternoon. Herman and Shirley Luring had been married for decades. 4 daughters, grandchildren, a lifetime in Parkersburg, Iowa. When the sirens screamed, they did exactly what experts tell you to do. They went to the basement. At 4:59 p.m., an EF5 tornado, winds over 200 miles per hour, nearly 3/4 of a mile wide, slammed into their home. It didn't just destroy the house. It ripped the entire floor off the foundation. The basement became a death trap. Herman survived, barely. Fractured skull, injuries he carries to this day. Shirley Luring, 71 years old, mother of 4, was killed. They were 2 of 9. Parkersburg, Iowa, population under 2,000. A warm, humid Sunday. No one expected to die. A powerful trough, surging Gulf moisture, and explosive instability created a perfect monster. One supercell was about to rewrite this town forever. 4:48 p.m. A tornado touches down. In minutes, it explodes to nearly 3/4 of a mile wide, barreling northeast at 40 miles per hour, straight toward Parkersburg. It hit like judgment. The high school partially collapsed. 6 reinforced concrete light poles at the baseball field were snapped and thrown. An industrial building turned church was obliterated. Steel beams mangled like toys. Entire neighborhoods were swept clean. 288 homes destroyed. Well-bolted houses gone. Nothing left but open basements. Debris from Parkersburg rained down over 100 miles away. Receipts in Wisconsin. Scrapbook pages 50 miles out. The sky didn't just destroy this town. It scattered it across the Midwest. Richard and Ethel Mulder were 80 years old, devout members of the Christian Reformed Church, quiet lives built on faith and family. When the warnings came, they headed for the basement, just like they were supposed to. The tornado got there first. Their home was completely swept away. Both were killed. The safest place in Iowa became their grave. Still at EF5 strength, the tornado crossed Beaver Creek and slammed New Hartford. A housing development was erased. One woman did the only thing you can do. She took shelter in her basement. Her home was swept away. Her vehicle stripped to bare metal. Trees debarked. She died there, in the place you're told will save you. 2 more dead in New Hartford. 9 total. Another woman, 61 years old, sheltered in her stairwell. A 2x4 was hurled through the wall, through her chest, through her right lung. She survived the tornado, only to die 6 months later on November 7, 2008, from complications. The last victim. The tornado kept killing long after the sky cleared. The mayor later said most of those killed were in their basements. Homes swept floorboards and all, exposing people underground to 200+ miles per hour winds. Parkersburg fought back. They rebuilt the high school stronger, with a concrete storm shelter. The town became a symbol of resilience. Then, just over a year later, another blow. Beloved coach Ed Thomas, the man who helped lead them through hell, was murdered in the school weight room by a former player. Nature, then humanity. This town took both. 9 lives lost. Shirley Luring, 71. Richard Mulder, 80. Ethel Mulder, 80. And 5 more neighbors and friends whose names deserve to be remembered. The Parkersburg tornado was the last EF5 to strike Iowa. one of the most powerful in the world that year. It proved a brutal truth we keep relearning. Sometimes, doing everything right isn't enough.